Zelig. Zelig. The Purple Rose of Cairo. The Purple Rose of Cairo. Kittredge, an American Girl. Kittredge, an American Girl. Mary Poppins Returns. Released 2018, directed by Rob Marshall Moore. 22 of 97 the best Disney live-action movies. 150 of 206 musical movies with the best songs. 11 of 356 the best musical movies of all time. Give a Man a Job. Released 1933. Mame. Released 1974, directed by Gene Saks. They Shoot Horses, Don't They? Released 1969, directed by Sidney Pollack Moore. They Shoot Horses, Don't They? 93 of 175 the best movies of the 60s. 131 of 156 the best existentialism movies. 2 of 53 the best Jane Fonda movies. Pennies from Heaven. Released 1936, directed by Norman Z. MacLeod. Public Enemy. Released 1931, directed by William A. Wellman Moore. The Public Enemy. 19 of 138 the best pre-code movies. 8 of 63 the best James Cagney movies. 10 of 30 the best 1930s gangster movies. Water for Elephants. Released 2011, directed by Francis Lawrence Moore. Water for Elephants. 84 of 105 the best Valentine's Day movies. 116 of 134 the best movies you never want to watch again. 28 of 72 the best romantic movies based on books. Road to Perdition. Released 2002, directed by Sam Mendes Moore. Road to Perdition. 90 of 177 the greatest comic book movies of all time. 83 of 92 the very best DC Comics movies. 22 of 123 the best assassin movies. Paper Moon. Released 1973, directed by Peter Bogdanovich Moore. Paper Moon. 667 of 1189 every Oscar-winning film ever. 1336 of 1540 the most rewatchable movies. 153 of 675 the best movies. Roger Ebert gave 4 stars. The Sting. Released 1973, directed by George Roy Hill Moore. The Sting. 15 of 92 the very best Oscar-winning movies for Best Picture. 128 of 557 the greatest film scores of all time. 56 of 925 the all-time greatest comedy films. Annie. Released 1982, directed by John Huston Moore. Annie. 927 of 1137 the absolute funniest movies of all time. 360 of 836 the greatest chick flicks ever made. 117 of 314 the funniest 80s movies. Seabiscuit. Released 2003, directed by Gary Ross Moore. Seabiscuit. 16 of 82 the best movies based on non-fiction books. 53 of 204 the best sports movies ever made. 88 of 190 the greatest animal movies ever made. Cinderella Man. Released 2005, directed by Ron Howard Moore. Cinderella Man 243, 480 The greatest movies for guys 39 of 275 The best movies based on true stories 49 of 150 The most inspirational sports movies. Bonnie and Clyde. Released 1967, directed by Arthur Penn Moore. Bonnie and Clyde. This gruesome photo shows the moment Bonnie and Clyde were riddled with bullets. 29 of 123 The best mafia films of all time. 78 of 125 The greatest date movies of all time. Oh brother, where art thou? Released 2000, directed by Ethan Coen, Joel Coen Moore. Oh brother, where art thou? 42 of 261 The best ensemble movies. 120 of 456 The most quotable movies of all time. 34 of 63 movies you wish you could still watch for the first time. The Grapes of Wrath. Released 1940, directed by John Ford Moore. The Grapes of Wrath. 51 of 369 The best movies based on books. 73 of 170 The most utterly depressing movies ever made. 25 of 224 The best black and white movies ever made. The Green Mile. Released 1999, directed by Frank Darabont Moore. The Green Mile. 85 of 355 The best rainy day movies. 1 of 277 The top tearjerker movies that make men cry. 3 of 553 The greatest epic movies ever made. Of Mice and Men. Released 1992, directed by Gary Sinise Moore. Of Mice and Men. 175 of 372 old movies every young person needs to watch in their lifetime. 64 of 196 The biggest tearjerker movies of all time. 17 of 92 The best movies directed by the star. To Kill a Mockingbird. Released 1962, directed by Robert Mulligan Moore. To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird quotes that'll change how you think. 97 of 661 The best black movies ever made. Ranked 55 of 84 great movies that take place in autumn.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.